1, 2, 3,
4. Hello everyone, welcome to Sneakeroos.
And today we're going to do unboxing with Daddy and...
Yeah!
Very good. Okay, but before anything else, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that button to be notified when I have a new sneaker unboxing. What we have for you today is a pair of sneakers, I would say. But then I will let my daughter Deianne open the box. So without any further delay, let's just get into it. Okay, so are you excited, Deianne?
Yes,
Okay, so Daddy will cut this. Did you say excuse me?
I did.
Okay, so what we're going to do is unbox this, but guys, you really need to wait. It's quite a huge box. And are you excited to do the unboxing, Deianne?
Me, yes.
Okay, so you're excited. What do you think is inside the box?
Shoe.
Shoes. Or is it shoes or sneakers? What's the difference?
Sneakeroos.
Sneakeroos. Okay. Oh, okay. I can see something. All right, so you can see it. 1 and 2. All right.
I want to see it.
Okay, all right.
There's so many shoes.
Yes, I'm gonna put it out. Let's start with yours.
Yeah.
Oh, let's start with Daddy's.
Let's start with mine.
Yours. Okay.
Why was the red?
Okay. Keep it there for now. Okay, you have to wait. Okay, and then Daddy will pull out this.
That one is yours.
Yes.
My one is this.
Okay, so this one is Daddy's, and this one is Deianne. All right. So I think start with Deianne.
Yes.
Okay, so let's put this to the side. Okay. All right. Or maybe just move it here. Okay, tell me. So before you open this, what do you think is the color of the shoe?
Pink and white.
Pink and white.
Yeah.
How can you be so sure? This is the first time that you open it. We haven't opened it, right? Okay. Are you sure what's the color of the shoes?
Pink.
Pink. Okay, all right. So you want to do it? Come on, open it. Okay, slowly. You need to slowly, Baba. Okay. What do you think? First, get one. Get this one first.
Wait.
Okay. Okay, just get the shoe, Baba. Just get the shoe. Get the shoe. Okay.
And I want to try.
You want to try it on? Well, can we try it on later?
No, now.
No, but how can you try it? Try one and then I'll see if that will fit. All right. So, by the way, this is the Nike Air Max Nova, and of course, this is a toddler size, or baby or toddler shoes. And I think this is a, I don't know, 7C or let me just check the box. 10C. All right, so that's the size of my daughter. Okay, so let's see if it fits. What do you think? Come on. Can you stand up a little bit? I'll show you. Yeah, stand up and then put your shoe here. Put your foot here. Yeah. Oh, okay. Put to the side. How about the side? Oh, it looks nice. Do you like it?
Yes.
Okay, all right. Does it fit?
No lights.
It's so light. Okay, that's good. That's good. Good to know. What else can you say about the shoe?
No lights.
It's so light.
No light.
No lights. Oh, you mean like it doesn't light up? Okay, but it's not a shoe made to have lights. Okay, where's the other one? Where's the other pair? Okay, you want to wear this?
Yes.
Okay, all right. Let's do that. Let's put this to the side. You want to show this to your mom?
Yes.
Okay, all right.
I don't wear the shoes.
Yeah, all right. Can you show it here first? And then go the other one. Oh, okay. Can I show you? Ah, very good. On the side. Put your foot to the side. Yeah, okay, all right. What color is that?
Pink and white.
Pink and white. All right. Can you sit down and wait for Daddy to unbox his shoe? Are you excited to see Daddy's?
Yes.
Okay, what do you think is the color of this shoe?
Yellow.
What
Yellow
color?
and orange and white and black.
What color? All right. Did you say what color is this?
That's also that's my shoe.
Okay. So what color is this? What do you think?
Yellow and white.
Okay. You want to open it? I'll let you open it. All right. But slowly. Just get one. Oh, okay. You're right. It's actually
For you.
for me. It's for Daddy. Okay. No. Keep it there. Keep it there for now.
Can you try it?
I'm not gonna try it on, baby. I don't usually try it on here. All right. So this is the Jaw 2 basketball sneaker, and we got the colorway of soft yellow, university gold, and dusty cactus. So that is the official colorway for this. Yeah, but the way I see it, wow, it looks nice actually. Look at the close-up of this. It's sort of like a marble-ish texture, and this is like a soft, I want to say felt feel, but it's not the usual jaw material that they use. And on this middle side, you have this sort of like gradient of color from yellow or orange, I would say, to blue. And you have the Nike swoosh here as well. So, all right. Deianne, you want to show them your shoes?
No, not yet.
Give me one. You don't want to show it? Okay. So I think this is just for today to wrap up this very quick unboxing with my daughter Deianne. And yeah, so this is the Nike Air Max Nova and the Jaw 2 in soft yellow, university gold, and obsidian colorway. And that's the time I have for you for today. Up until then, this is Dace, and I'll see you in the next Sneakeroos unboxing.